Hey everybody, it's Patrick at PALS Ocala Auto Repair. This is a Fiat 500 totally electric car. And this is Becky Hagee, the owner. Chuck, what did we end up doing with Becky's car today?
On this vehicle today, we did an alignment in tires and repaired a blown fuse. So Becky, what is the range on your vehicle?
When I initially charge it, it's about 120 miles. You turn the AC on, which we do for it all the time, and it drops a little, but I usually don't charge it for about 3 or 4 days simply because I'm not a big driver.
Gotcha.
And I plug it right to my regular outlet at home. It's great.
That's very cool. So let me ask you a question. Have you had a hard time finding people willing to work on this?
I had to replace my 12-volt battery in November, and places would not even sell me the battery. They'd get all electric, and even though it was a battery they had on their shelves, they wouldn't sell it to me. And I remember that you guys worked on electric, and then the Fiat, and I brought my mom in for her town today.
Have you been happy with us so far?
Absolutely.
Well, we're glad to have you. Please keep coming back, and if anything can be in your electric car, we'd be glad to help you.
Thank you so much.
If you folks have a Fiat 500 or a Nissan or a Honda totally electric car, bring it to PALS. Becky, thank you very much.
Oh, you're welcome.